If you just got an iPad or you're thinking about buying one, this video is for you. Do you really need a screen protector? Tempered glass, paper feel, or AR screen protector? Which one should you get? In this video, we'll break down the differences, pros and cons, and help you choose the right one for your iPad. First, let's take a look at what each type is designed for. We'll start with tempered glass. This is the one most people are familiar with. Its biggest advantage is protection, guarding your screen from scratches and drops while maintaining clear display and smooth touch response. The downside? Its smooth surface can feel a little slippery with an Apple Pencil, making writing and drawing less controlled. If you use your pencil every day, tempered glass may not be the best choice. So that's where paper feel screen protectors come in. They're a favorite among students, artists, and anyone who spends a lot of time writing or drawing on their iPad. But not all paper feel screen protectors are the same. There are three main types: film paper feel, tempered glass paper feel, and magnetic paper feel. Film paper feel protectors are the most common. They use a textured matte surface to create friction, making writing and drawing feel much closer to real paper. Next is the magnetic paper feel protector. It attaches magnetically, so you can easily snap it on or take it off whenever you want. Leave it on while writing or drawing, then remove it when you're watching videos or editing photos to enjoy the original display quality. The third option is tempered glass paper feel. It combines a tempered glass base with a textured paper-like surface. That means you get the writing feel of a paper feel protector while also enjoying better protection against scratches and drops. Of course, paper feel protectors also have their trade-offs. Because of the textured surface, they let in less light, so the display may look slightly less sharp. The texture can also wear down your Apple Pencil tip a little faster. Now let's talk about AR screen protectors. AR screen protectors mainly use light interference technology to reduce reflections and improve light transmission. This is similar to the anti-reflective treatment used on the iPad's original display. The main advantage is that AR film offers high transparency and better color accuracy. They also make the screen easier to see outdoors or under bright lights by reducing glare and eye strain. The trade-off is that AR screen protectors are more expensive, and they don't offer the same level of scratch resistance as tempered glass. So now that we've covered the differences, the big question is, which one is right for you? If you mostly watch videos, browse the web, play games, or just want reliable everyday protection, a tempered glass screen protector is probably your best choice. It keeps your display looking as good as possible while providing the strongest overall protection. The ESR UltraFit Armorite Screen Protector is a great option for this type of user. It's built with Armorite glass for stronger impact resistance, and it comes with ESR's UltraFit Tray. Just align the tray, pull, and you're done. No complicated installation and no worrying about dust, bubbles, or getting it crooked. If you spend hours taking notes, studying, or drawing with your Apple Pencil, your priorities are different. Writing comfort becomes much more important than having the clearest possible display. In that case, a paper feel screen protector is the better choice. If you also want stronger protection against drops and scratches, then a tempered glass paper feel protector gives you the best balance of both. The ESR UltraFit Armorite Paper Feel Screen Protector combines a durable tempered glass base with a finely textured paper feel surface. You get the natural resistance that makes writing and drawing feel more controlled, while still helping protect your screen from everyday damage. But maybe your iPad does a little bit of everything. You take notes during the day, watch Netflix at night. If that sounds like you, a magnetic paper feel screen protector makes the most sense. The ESR Paper Feel Magnetic Screen Protector lets you switch between both experiences. Snap it on when you want a paper-like writing feel, take it off when you want the full clarity of your display. If display quality is your #1 priority, or you often use your iPad outdoors, then an AR screen protector is worth considering. No matter which ESR UltraFit screen protector you choose, they all come with the UltraFit Tray installation system. It makes installation fast, accurate, and beginner-friendly, helping you avoid one of the biggest frustrations of applying a screen protector: dust, bubbles, and misalignment. At the end of the day, there isn't one perfect screen protector for everyone. The best one is simply the one that fits the way you use your iPad.